Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classes. How are you, children? I hope you are all fine at home. So it's time to start online classes for the academic year 2021 to 22. In this class, we are going to learn chapter 1, heat. Heat is a physical term, children. It is a physical term. What do you know about heat, children? What do you know? Heat is a form of energy, children. Heat is a form of energy. Unlike other energies, unlike heat energy, there are also other energies, children. What are the other energies? Mechanical energy, chemical energy, atomic energy, sound energy, light energy. These are all the remaining energies, children. Unlike other energies, heat is also a form of energy. So, what is energy? You have learned in class 9. Energy. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work, children. Energy is the capacity to do work. But suppose you are not taking any food from the past 2 days, then how it will be your condition, children? You won't have enough energy in your body to do any kind of activity. Yes or no? So if we want to perform any activity, we need energy. If there is no energy, we can't do anything. So it is also a form of energy, children. Okay, with this energy only, we are all cooking the food. Okay, on the gas stoves, we are cooking the food by the heat energy only. With this heat energy only, we are all ironing our shirts, our clothes, all these, children. So heat is a form of energy. And children, one more point regarding heat, you should know it. It always transfers from hotter body to colder body. Children, do you understand? Transfers from hotter body to colder body. You and your friend are sitting ideally in a class, and your friend was very ill. He was not at all responding to your questions. Then you may ask him, why you are feeling ill today? Why you are weak? You will guess he may get fever. Then what you will do? You simply take your arm and keep on his forehead. By keeping your hand on the forehead of your friend, you sense the heat. Yes or no, children? By sensing the heat, you come to know he got the fever. He got the fever by sensing with your hand, by keeping on the forehead of your friend. Okay, children. Here, hotter body is your friend, children. Colder body is nothing but you. Hotter body is your friend, and colder body is you itself. Your itself is the colder body. So heat always transfers from hotter body to colder body, children. One more example. You are keeping a vessel filled with water on the gas stove. So the gas is coming, means it is in the form of heat we are getting. That is a hotter body. And whatever the vessel you kept on that, it is a colder body. After a few minutes, heat energy will be received by that vessel, and it also be turned into the heat. Okay, children, when you touch it, you sense it heat. Yes or no? So heat is a form of energy, and it always transfers from hotter body to colder body. These are the two main points you should remember, children. Next, we'll see one activity regarding the heat. Transference of heat. So here you want to take two objects. What are the two objects, children? One is wooden piece. A small wooden piece. Another object is a metal piece. Any kind of metal. Okay, children, iron metal, silver metal, any metal. You want to take a wooden piece and a metal piece. Then take both the pieces and keep in the refrigerator. You know refrigerator. Okay, after 15 minutes, you take them out and call your friend and ask him to touch both the objects and say which object is colder. which object is colder than what? Your friend will say that metal piece is very colder than the wooden piece. Then you will get a doubt. What is this? I have kept both the objects at the same time and I have taken them out of the fridge for the same time. Then why you are saying that the metal piece is very colder than the wooden piece? The two objects may be in the same condition, no? Then why they are not in the same conditions? They are at different conditions. You may get this doubt. Then you want to learn one point, children. When you are touching either metal piece or wooden piece, you are losing your heat energy, children. You are losing your heat energy. Again saying, children, when you touch a metal piece or a wooden piece, that means you are losing your heat energy. When you lose your heat energy, you will get a feeling of coolness or coldness, children. For suppose you brought the 2-liter thumbs up bottle for your home to drink it. So you will touch the surface of the bottle and you will feel, oh, it is very cold. Why you are getting a feeling of coldness? Because whatever the internal energy is there for us, that is 98.6. So some of the heat energy is lost by us. When we lost that energy, nothing but heat from our body, we will get a feeling of coldness, children. Do you understand, children? Whenever only we lose our heat energy, we getting a feeling of coldness. And when you get the feeling of hotness, children, take a candle and put a small flame on it. So when you take your finger near to that, you will sense it was very hot. Means when you allow the heat energy to flow inside of your body, you will get a feeling of hotness. When you lose the heat energy, you will get a feeling of coolness, children. That's the reason when you put a small ice cube in your palm, it starts melting slowly. Why? What's the reason? You all think that it is due to the environmental temperature. No, children. That is due to the internal temperature which is there in your body. The heat energy continuously lose and that is transferred to this ice cube. Then ice cube starts melting. At the same time, you will get the feeling of coolness, children. Do you understand, children? Here your friend says that wooden piece is very less cold than compared to the metal piece. That means he is losing a lot of energy. Lot of which energy, children? Hot energy when he is touching the metal piece when compared to the cold wooden piece, children. In the case of these two pieces, he says that metal piece is very colder than the wooden piece. Means he is losing a lot of hot energy from his body. So here you should know what is the definition regarding temperature. Temperature. So children, degree of hotness or coldness. Degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. See, children, in our universe, every object is existed with a temperature. Even though this chalk piece has some temperature, my body has some temperature, your body has some temperature. Actually, this blackboard also has some temperature. Every object in our universe exists with some temperature. Understand, children? Understand? So here temperature means degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature, children. So again I will recall you, children. Heat. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy. With that energy only we are all doing cooking, children. The process of cooking. And it always transfers from hotter body to colder body, children. It always transfers from hotter body to colder body. One more example regarding this I will give you, children. So if you want to take a lukewarm bath then hot water will be inserted into the bucket. Then you need to fill up with the normal water, means nothing but cold water. When you put that normal water into the hot water, this heat energy, whatever the heat energy is there to that hot water, will be transferred to the normal water. Then it becomes a less temperature. Previously, whatever the temperature is there, it becomes less right now, whatever the situation is there. So heat always transfers from hotter body to colder body. Then if you take any two objects like wooden piece and metal piece, if you keep them in a refrigerator, when you touch both of the pieces, you will get a feeling of coldness, much coldness when you touch the metal piece as compared to the wooden piece. Means you are losing a lot of heat energy, children. If you lose a heat energy from your body, then you will get a feeling of coldness. Understand, children? And temperature, degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Every body in the universe is existed with a temperature. We'll continue in the next class, children. The topics are thermal equilibrium. We'll discuss it in clearly in the next class. Thank you.